Hi there, Guthrie from Sharetribe here. In this video, we'll learn how to create a listing type that uses the calendar booking transaction process. Calendar booking is a transaction process that enables availability management, bookings from a calendar, and online payments. I'll create an example listing type for bike rentals, but you can follow along and make a listing type for any service or rental booking marketplace. Let's get to it. First, navigate to your listing type settings in console. Click to add a listing type and give that listing type a descriptive name. This name will be shown to users when they're posting a new listing if you have more than one listing type. I'll call mine bike rental. Next, add a listing type ID. This is a unique identifier of the listing type that Sharetribe software uses in listing data. It's not shown to your users. I'll add the ID bike-rental. Then choose the transaction process type calendar booking. This opens up a selection of booking units. The calendar booking process can use daily, nightly, or hourly availability. Daily means that if a customer's booking starts today and ends tomorrow, they're charged for 2 days. It's a good choice for vehicle, tool, or equipment rentals, for example. Nightly means that if a booking starts today and ends tomorrow, the customer is charged for 1 night. This is the option for property rentals like vacation homes or cottages. And hourly means that the customer will choose a date, a starting hour, and an ending hour within that day. It's a great choice for service bookings or hourly rentals. I choose daily for my bike rental listing type. Next up is seats. This setting determines if there is one or multiple seats available for a given time slot, be that day, night, or hour. If you choose one seat availability, providers don't need to specify the number of seats separately. It's always automatically set to 1. And when a customer books a given time slot, it becomes unavailable for others. This is the best choice for peer-to-peer rentals or one-on-one service marketplaces. If you choose multiple seats, providers determine the number of seats for each time slot when they're adding availability to their listings. And the customer chooses the number of seats they want to book. This is a great choice for any marketplace where a single time slot can be booked by multiple people, such as many B2C rental marketplaces or a marketplace for desks in co-working spaces. I choose 1 seat for my example peer-to-peer rental marketplace. Next up, the default listing fields. Default listing fields are basic information about listings like title, description, and images. In the calendar booking transaction process, you can enable or disable the location field. This determines whether a provider needs to add a location to their listing and if customers can view the listing on a map. You should turn location on for location-based marketplaces like ones for local services or property rentals. And for non-location-based listings like virtual services, you can disable the location feature. Then, listings don't feature a map at all. I'll choose to turn location on for my listing type. The final default field is called payout details required before publishing. When this field is enabled, providers can't publish listings before adding their payout details. If the field is disabled, providers can publish listings without adding payout details right away. This can be a good choice to reduce the initial friction of posting a listing, but keep in mind that the provider will still need to add payout details before anyone can book their listing. And then save changes. That's how you set up calendar bookings in Sharetribe. Your marketplace now supports listings with availability management, bookings from a calendar, and online payments. Make sure to test the booking flow yourself on your test marketplace. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at hello@sharetribe.com. We'll be happy to help.